Gold prices sinking lower this Wednesday. We'll be talking about this with Jim Wyckoff on Technically Speaking. Stay tuned. Hi, Jim. Nice to see you this week.
Good morning, Danielle, and happy birthday.
Thank you, but not a happy day for gold as we're speaking. Gold's not doing too well. Are people turning to riskier stocks today, Jim?
Yes, it's a risk-on day today, as evidenced by higher European and U.S. stocks, and that's pulled some demand away from safe haven precious metals. In the gold market right now, we're seeing some heavy profit-taking pressure, some long liquidation by weak-handed traders, and you're just seeing some a corrective pullback like we saw a couple weeks ago.
Jim, that SMB decision should have been bullish for gold, but the market sold off. What happened?
Well, it injected uncertainty into the marketplace, and there was some speculation that people that may have been trading the currencies that got impacted by that unexpected move may have had to sell some gold to raise margin money for that activity in the currency market.
Jim, Germany's constitutional court ruling today that the Eurozone bailouts are legal. How much of an impact is this having?
Well, it is given some credit for kind of jump-starting rallies in the stock market, but yesterday afternoon in the U.S. Trading activity, we saw the U.S. stock indexes bounce well off their lows and close near the daily highs. That was a hint that we were going to see some upside price action in the stock indexes today. Certainly, the German news was what the stock market bulls wanted to hear. However, it's in the big scheme of things in the European Union debt crisis, it's a small thing, and they got a big mess over there, and that is going to continue to be an underlying bullish indicator or factor for the gold market.
All right, Jim, let's talk numbers. We saw gold hit the 1923 mark yesterday. How do we get there again?
Well, harken back to a couple of weeks ago when we set a new high and then backed off sharply. That threw a scare into the marketplace, but we came right back and set a new high. If history is any indicator, this selling pressure we're seeing today is going to be a corrective pullback in an overall price uptrend. However, I do want to point out one important thing. We are seeing strong selling pressure today. If we see strong follow-through selling pressure on Thursday, then on the daily chart, the specter of a bearish double top reversal pattern is raised. So price action today and tomorrow in the gold market is going to be extra important. If we close today near the daily lows, we see follow-through selling pressure on Thursday, then the bearish double top reversal pattern comes into play, and that we need to watch that closely. That would be an indicator of a near-term market top being in place.
All right, Jim, final thoughts for investors for the week.
Well, like I said before, if history is any indication in this gold market, dips are going to be value buying opportunities for the bulls, and that's been proven time and time again recently, and until proven wrong, I suspect that's going to be what's going to happen.
All right, Jim, I guess we'll just ride out this risk-on day, as you call it.
All right.
All right, and we'll see you next week. Thank you for watching. You can email me your comments and questions at newsfeedback@kitco.com.